2016, the company introduced an even more powerful new engine. It is named SpectraBlade 627 and, as you can guess, has a capacity of 627 horsepower. Just like its predecessor, the new model was developed on the basis of a 6.2-liter car engine, created specifically for Cadillac. An interesting feature of this engine is its design. While most standard outboard motors hold the engine in a vertical position, the 627 SpectraBlade engine is placed in a horizontal position. Manufacturers say they managed to achieve more power thanks to a change in the design of the cylinder head and exhaust valves. The engineers also had to reprocess the hydrodynamics of the lower block. Another noteworthy feature that is difficult to miss is the LED lighting equipment. Even though this lighting has no other function but decorative, this is why the engine seems incredibly impressive in work. If you happen to have $100,000, you can buy yourself the world's most powerful outboard engine. D16 G750. For a long time, Volvo has been developing its most powerful truck. Finally, the FH16 appeared, which can be equipped with engines of different power ranges. The engine with the most outstanding performance was named D16 G750. It is an incredibly powerful six-cylinder engine. The work volume is 16.1 liters with a capacity of 750 horsepower. This giant engine was developed for very heavy cargo traffic. The manufacturer proudly points to a solid and reliable design, where each cylinder has 4 values. D16 G750 is capable of providing maximum torque at a wide range of revolutions. This means that the truck won't have problems moving even in rough terrain. High torque at low revs will show excellent traction. It's hard to believe, but with such outstanding features, this engine has a low level of noise and exhaust gas toxicity. It meets the Euro 5 standard, which regulates the content of harmful substances in exhaust gas. Bugatti Chiron W16. In 2017, the Bugatti Chiron hypercar set a world speed record, accelerating to 400 kilometers per hour. It took the driver exactly 41.96 seconds to accelerate to full speed, then brake to a stop. It's obvious that inside this car, there must be an engine of incredible power. In fact, the redesigned 8-liter W16 quad-turbo engine boasts 1,500 horsepower. In general, only the Volkswagen Group is producing such engines. Standard models have about 1,000. However, to create a Bugatti Chiron engine, the engineers had to work hard and redesign some components. The maximum torque of the engine is 1,600 Newton meters. It's so powerful that when driving at top speed, it empties the 100-liter tank in just 9 minutes. It should be noted that the predecessor of this car, Bugatti Veyron, ate the same amount of fuel in 12 minutes. The W16 engine gives the Bugatti Chiron just fantastic speed indicators. It accelerates to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Acceleration of up to 300 kilometers per hour takes only 13.6 seconds. Caterpillar C175-16. This is the first ship engine from the Caterpillar company, which was designed and built from scratch. C175-16 has maximum performance while meeting emission standards. Its technical characteristics are practically unlimited, allowing it to operate in continuous mode or under particularly severe operating conditions. This, in turn, allows you to significantly expand opportunities, increase productivity, and minimize the cost of maintenance. It has the widest power range, from 2,683 to 3,420 horsepower. Thus, the engine's working volume is 84.67 liters. It's basically a 4-stroke, 16-cylinder V-type diesel engine. surprising that the dead weight of the engine exceeds 13 tons. It is worth mentioning that the C175-16 is designed and engineered to take into account future capacity expansion. It is also interesting that all engines in the Caterpillar C175 line have incredible power. Therefore, some of them have 4,800 horsepower. As a general rule, these engines are installed in locomotives and passenger class boats. SWT 6.0154. Not all of the most powerful engines in our world are used exclusively by vehicles. So, this turbine, which demonstrates the capacity of 8,157 horsepower, can be found in a windmill. The German concern Siemens is engaged in the production of SWT 6.0154 turbines. The technical features are unbelievable. The nominal power of the wind turbine is 6,000 kilowatts. It is logical that such a powerful engine should be created to power truly massive installations. Then, the rotor diameter of the windmill, where SWT 6.0154 is used, is 154 meters. The area of the circle in which the blades move is 18.6 thousand square meters. It is noteworthy that only a few hundred of these wind turbines can easily replace an entire nuclear power plant for productivity. Trent XWB. The Rolls-Royce Trent is a series of turbofan dual-circuit aircraft engines, which were developed in the second half of the 1980s. The first copies were ordered by the British company Rolls-Royce plc in 1991. All these years, the company was dedicated to improving engines for commercial aircraft. Finally, on June 14, 2010, the first Trent XWB engine was launched. This three-axle jet engine, the first of its family, has two stages of medium-pressure turbine. 68 blades of this turbine provide it with a capacity of 50,000 horsepower. However, the manufacturer proudly states that the model can save fuel. In addition, Trent XWB engines worldwide are estimated to save approximately $3 million per year. This means that even the largest and most powerful machines can spend fuel wisely. There are two models of this engine, Trent XWB 84 and Trent XWB 97. RT Flex 96C. The world's most powerful engines are designed for subsequent installation on cargo ships and various container ships. The creation of the most powerful engines on the planet is being carried out by the Finnish engineering company Wärtsilä. The engines produced by this company are divided into two lines. There are RTA 96C and RT Flex 96C, and both engines are available with a different number of cylinders. As you can imagine, the 14 RT Flex 96C has 14 cylinders and is the largest internal combustion piston engine in the world. Specifically, this model is designed for container ships, containing 3,000 to 10,000 20-foot containers. The height of the engine is 13.4 meters, and it is 27 meters long. It weighs 2,300 tons, and the maximum power that can be achieved is 108,920 horsepower.
Hey, stop being lazy. It's time to use that brain of yours. Time. Incredible fact.